Today we are going to Dingle and we're doing the Dingle Slea head drive. We rented a car for a day and he's driving. This is his first time driving. On the left side of the road. Right? It's left side of the road. Right hand steering wheel. How does it feel?
It feels like you're driving again for the first time. Like the same anxiousness as the first drive.
So, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the steering.
Is that what they taught you?
No, that's what I'm telling you. Yeah. So right now the roads are not that bad. Like they're narrow, as you know about Europe. All the roads are narrow. It's not windy yet. Later on, it's gonna be. I don't know what to expect on a Slea drive because I've never been there. But yeah, we're excited. Yeah, we're just both off today. I'm on my reading week. We don't have nothing to do. It's Valentine's Day. I don't know when am I gonna upload this, but right now, today is Valentine's Day, so we're just going on a little adventure. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing planned really. We'll see. We'll see what's up. It's Dingle, so for sure there's some restaurants open or whatever, but right now there's nothing planned. Careful, please. So we're driving. I think we're like super close to a corner drive. So my nerve is nerving. Be careful, please. It's pretty cloudy. I want to see the view. Like, look at our view right now.
The sun is sort of a view.
Barely a view. Yeah. Okay, so we are on a corner drive now, and we can't see anything, which makes it even difficult for him to drive it. So, and then the lane became just one lane. So right now we're just honking and hoping that there's not gonna be any cars, oncoming cars. Because it's literally like we can only see 100 meters in front of us, and that's it. This is the way to. Yeah, no, this is one way to Dingle. We just passed Talcona Drive and my heart was racing. He doesn't want to do the drive again, even though we didn't see anything. One lane part is really scary. Like, you're so close. That's for sure a cliff. That's what I know. And the other side is like rocks, so yeah, scary. But how do you they should have increased your confidence now that you passed that. No? Not really. Not really. There's a sheep.
What color?
There's more sheep.
Why is there like paint or graffiti?
I think it's it's some sort of sign for them. Let me slow down, please. We made it in Dingle, and everything is closed. Well, there's like a few restaurants open, but everything is closed. We're going to eat lunch, and then what we're gonna do?
I don't know. Should I do the TikTok?
What's the TikTok? Alright, we're back in Chile. We just went for a freaking drive. We're gonna do bowling instead. The Slea drive, we didn't go there because it was really cloudy and raining, and I don't think it's worth it to go. So yeah, we rented a car for nothing. But so now we're just going bowling. We couldn't go here, so it's actually his first time, or my second time, because the first time I went with my classmates, but it's our first time going here together. It's so hard to go here because it's like so far away from the town, from where we live, and it's like an hour walk, and we're like, I don't want to walk. And yeah, and today we have a car and we're free, we don't have anything to do, so we're gonna go bowling. So let's go bowling. 30. Yeah, it's the closest one. 1983. So their arcade works like really old here. They only accept cash instead of like cards and whatnot. So we're getting change, and this is a change machine. You got it? It says go over there. Over here! Over here! Okay.
Is there anything, any more cup? Is there a cup?
You don't. They don't have that, honey. Come on, just take your cash like.
Yeah, I can already feel the dirt on it.
Wow, so arte.
So nasty.
Can you count it? Is it 20? It's been a long time since I saw one of these machines. Well, they still have in Niagara, but it's for tokens, not coins. Is it 20?
Yeah.
Yeah. What the heck? You couldn't do that! I did it to myself! Oh my god! Alright, oh no, there's a thing in the thing. We returned the car already, so we spent like 100 euros for the car for nothing to go play bowling basically, right? And to go to Dingle.
Yeah, there's no Dingle.
Yeah, it's alright. It's an adventure. Especially the corner drive, yeah. And experience driving on the left side of the road.
To a mountain where it's very foggy.
So, yeah, that's our Valentine's Day. Yeah, quick change of plans.
It's raining.
And it's raining, yeah. So
Very
we're just
raining.
going home now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. So Gerard bought me flowers. Here it is. So cute. So beautiful. Happy Valentine's to everyone.